Well, good afternoon or good evening, people out there on YouTube. Dave here. I've been out for a while. I haven't actually made any more videos. Matter of fact, I'm trying out a new camera now. Hopefully this should be it. It's a waterproof camera. Um, I'm not going to stay too long on it because since it's very high definition, I don't have a very good SD card. It's a fast SD card, but it doesn't have that much memory, especially if it's putting out 5.7K. On my way to work now. I'm definitely late. So definitely late that I don't think I'm going to be able to stop to eat anything. So I'll probably just head on directly to work. But I'll try and just suck around, see if I can get it straightened out, but I guess I can't do that right now. Yeah, maybe I can. Anyway, this is the other version. I want to see how it looked like from the smartphone. It's kind of cool. Because you can't see anything towards the front. Just you could probably just look at the interior. 9:44. I think I might have. No, I better not. I was gonna go right through town to get to work, but I better not. I'll just head over to the expressway. Trying out this camera for the very first time. This is gonna be the Insta360 One R as in Robert. I haven't really asked them what the R meant. I'm thinking maybe it means rugged, the rugged edition. It's supposed to be waterproof. And it's a modular type. It's the same thing as the Insta1 X. It's got all the same features. Of course, they said that they changed the engineering on it and so forth. And they might be right. But I can't really tell from here. It's still 5.7K. They claim that they changed the engineering. Something had to do with the lens. Hopefully, these lenses won't give me any problems. But I'm out here on the interstate. If I stay within this constant speed, I should be able to make it to work okay. To tell you the truth, I'm not really that hungry, even though I'm supposed to eat something, but I better not. Gotta watch this weight. Gotta bring this weight down. In a couple of months, I'm hoping I can lose a little bit of weight and be able to fit in those airline seats. My gosh, have you all flown recently? Those airline seats are like they're very small. It seems to be some type of accident up ahead, but it's on the southbound lane. Hopefully, it won't affect us. Hopefully, but You never know, these northbound rubberneckers might want to slow down and see what the hell's going on and blah, blah, blah. It's like, well, there's some type of major accident because they got the whole freeway shut down. I'm not sure if you can see it from here. I doubt it. So all you have is a white contrast. But yes, people are slowing down. They want to see what the heck's going on. So I'm going to get into the slow lane. I'm not one of those that want to rubberneck, but there's a lot of cops out here. The fire department is out here. I don't know what's going on. They're moving the traffic to one side. They're moving the traffic to the fast lane, but yet they're sending them out of the expressway. And I didn't see any accident. I would have figured that that's where the accident was by the tip of the traffic, but I didn't see nothing out there other than the fact that they're just diverting the traffic out. It's kind of awkward. Anyways, I'm gonna get off here. Yeah, got a quarter tank of gasoline. I'm still good. So this is the famous Insta360 One R, and I'm thinking R would be for rugged, I think. And I'm not being rude if I don't look at the camera a lot because I am driving and I prefer to keep my eye on the road. But this is a 360 view. Hopefully I don't have to reframe it. I'm not sure. Maybe I am. More than likely I probably will. I probably would have left it the way it was so you could just see the surroundings, but there's really nothing to look at other than the truck that I'm driving, the 2020 Chevy pickup. But it's my work truck. Well, as we can see, either the guy likes flashing his lights or he's stalled in the middle of the road. Looks like a fairly new Lexus to me. But whoever parked behind him made a monumental mistake. So now it's going to start it. It'll probably be jammed. Anyways, I hope you're not looking at my truck too much. It's a little bit of a mess. Just a little bit. As I said, it's a work truck. It's not a luxury truck. Well, it is. It's it's not the high country. There's no way I can afford a high country. If y'all are familiar with Chevy, the high country is the top of the line for the Chevy trucks. No, this is the what is this? The Trail Boss. It's kind of like the high country, except it's a little bit more rugged. Has less bells and whistles. The high country has what? The sunroof? I didn't want a sunroof on this truck. I have no reason to have one in there. I mean, I hardly ever roll down the windows. Why would I want to even open up the window on the sunroof? It does have that 12-point camera system. What they call it, the 360. The front stereo, you can insert DVD movies and you can watch movies. Although it said that you're not supposed to be the movie's disabled when you're driving, so it doesn't distract you. But I fixed that already. I can still watch the movie. No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't distract myself. The camera itself is already distracting me. Oh, I it's part of my job description. I'm gonna make a reroute instead of going to work. I'm gonna head on over to the meat market and pick up some meat. We're probably end up gonna be cooking there at the ranch for the owner's son. For one of the owners actually. He's the owner's son, but he's also one of the owners. So, damn, I look hungry. I'm just looking at myself. It's a pretty good feature that I'm able to preview myself while it's recording, and I couldn't do that with a GoPro. This is a lot better. Now, we'll see what happens when I do the reframing. I'm gonna have to do the reframing anyways, but let's see how it looks like with the. Because I mean, I can't leave it as 360. There's really nothing to look at other than just the top of my truck. I should have actually put it a little bit lower, but I didn't. So you can kind of sort of see the freeway, but not something that would be considered like wow. So anyways, I'm gonna cut this off because the boss man's gonna send some money over to my phone, and I'm gonna have to receive it and deposit it in the bank account and use that money for the meat. So we'll see what happens with this type of camera. I'm gonna keep testing it out.